My name is Dube. I'm one of the leaders of MNP. I think as children of Matebele land and Twaga's nation, we need to stand up for ourselves first. If we don't do it ourselves, nobody will help us. We need to come together and be the voice and make sure that we are being heard by the nation. I know most of the people, they've been neglecting our struggle for so much. This is the time when we are being called to say, we need to come out in numbers and come and support our struggle. We need to see most of our people on the 23rd to come at the embassy and demonstrate and show the solidarity to our struggle. This is the time to reclaim our Mtwagas. This is the time to restore what has been taken from us for so long. We have suffered for so long as the children of Matebele land.